You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this sound, this vowel from the IPA? In phonetics, you may have found a word that contains this sound from phonetics. So let's break down how to say it. It's essentially said as a long sound. Let's get to some words, some examples of words and sentences that contain the sound You have the sound in fur, bird, earn, and world, the sound Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.